Hi, I'm Sue and this is Sue Marie P. My video today, I'm sharing my peanut butter cookie with a hint of chocolate, and I'm going to show you two ways. One with spelt flour and one with rice flour. And if not, if you don't like either of them, you can just use regular flour. Let's get baking. So first step, I'm doing unsalted butter, and we've got 120 grams, and I've already cubed that and it's been at room temperature. So I'm going to whip this up for about 10 minutes. We'll be whipping that with our sugar, and I've got a combination of caster sugar, which is 50 grams, which is about 1/4 cup, and 90 grams of dark brown sugar. That's about, I think, 1/2 cup. But if you want the full recipe, jump over to suemariep.com and you'll see all my other recipes as well, or I'll put a link in the description below. So that's changed colour. It's really light in colour now and fluffy. Now we've got 1 egg, and I'm just going to beat that a little bit. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to blend that until it's combined, just on low. In the meantime, you might want to get your flour ready. I've pre-sifted my flour, so I'm using spelt flour in the first recipe today. And I've got 150 grams, which is 1 cup plus 1/4 cup. So I've got 15 grams of cocoa powder, which is 2 tablespoons. And I've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. That should be fine. Now we're going to gently add the flour. So we add it, but just gently combine it. That's what I meant. We're using 90 grams of crunchy peanut butter, but if you don't like crunchy, you could use smooth. Okay, so we want to just combine this. I'm just transferring it into a smaller bowl so I can chill it. This bowl's too big for my fridge. Chill our cookie dough for 30 to 45 minutes. Stick around because I've still got the rice flour ones to do. Now for our second version, our rice flour version, I'm using an organic brown rice flour, really soft. So let's make it in the cookies and see how it compares to the spelt one. So first step, we're going to cream our butter and sugar together. So we've got 1/2 cup or 120 grams of unsalted butter. Once again, I've combined dark brown sugar, which is 90 grams plus 50 grams of white sugar. Let's just stop that and see how it's going. So we're just going to beat our egg. This step isn't important that you need to do it in this process. It's more just my little method to ensure that I don't forget my vanilla. So we'll add that in. Pre-sifted brown rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So just throwing that all in. We've got our crunchy peanut butter, 90 grams or 1/2 cup. I'm going to chill this and grab the other one out. So we've got our cookie dough out of the fridge and we're ready to start popping them on the tray. So I've lined my baking tray. I'm just using an ice cream scoop. So now we're going to bake these in our preheated oven for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll have a look at them at 12 minutes. Our baking's all complete. And here we have our 2 cookies for the taste test, our spelt and our rice flour. Let's try the spelt one first. Crunchy yet soft. Tastes really good. I'll try the rice flour one. For some reason, my rice flour one is a lot more puffy. I think I might have added an extra 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The texture is definitely different. Rice flour tastes like a soft shortbread, so it's more grainy and crumbly. It still tastes pretty good. Anyway, let me know which one you like and which you prefer. And don't go anywhere. I've got more videos that you can watch. And don't forget, subscribe if you're new here. Hit the bell and then you get notified as soon as I've got a new video released. And don't forget, share it with a friend and write a comment below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.